Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'll be getting into a full lace frontal wig transformation today. The unit I will be installing is a 250 density 24-inch highlighted unit from Amanda Hair. This is my first time trying to wig out from this company, so I instantly gravitated towards their curly highlighted unit. Since it is a pre-highlighted, pre-plucked, and the HD quality I couldn't pass up, I felt like it would be super low maintenance and perfect for beginners. And if a company passed my curly hair test, I'm usually excited to try any other textures from them because curly hair can be a hit or a miss. So as soon as I received the wig, I popped it on my head, and as you can see, it did need some extra TLC when it came to that pre-plucked illusion. I just like to take a little extra hair out so it can lay super flat, and multiple styles is going to look super natural by doing this step. I did add a little bit foundation powder because I felt like the lace wasn't as tinted as I wanted it to be. Today I didn't use my Ebony New York mousse, but the foundation powder worked perfectly. So I am going in with my Got2b glue, and I did use a little bit of my Spritz hairspray just to ensure that this is going to be a melted look. And when I say melted, honey, it's going to look really good today. I made sure to put extra hairspray towards the ear tab area because that part, girl, it's still gonna lift, but we're gonna get it together by the end of the video. So I took a little bit more density out as I am letting that elastic band sit on top of my head. That's going to help have that, get that wet lace illusion. Y'all know the vibes. Do not skip this step. It is a must. So I just added a little bit of water to the hair, and I added some like shine spray. You can use any one that works for you. This is just going to help the hair smell really good and have a really nice luster after you do all of this water treatment to the hair, and also get you a really good paddle brush and start detangling from top to bottom. I realized that if you use a comb, like a wide tooth comb, I feel like the curls don't pop as much, so I would recommend you guys a paddle brush when detangling curly hair because it just makes your curls look luscious and pop. I don't put any product on the hair. I just wanted to see what it was going to give without the product, by the way. But as you can see, I just removed that elastic band. And what I'm going to do is just remove the rest of that lace. I'm just prepping my hair for my baby hairs, removing a little bit more density around my ear tabs, also taking some of that density out in my baby hair area because that's necessary. We want this to look as natural as possible. I have been starting doing blunt cuts, and then I curl the hair under with my Baby Bliss flat iron. Y'all already know the vibes. Mine is from Ulta. These come in handy, girl. It's about time for me to get a new one because they're looking a little crazy, but they still get the job done. So after we curl these bad boys under, I'm just going to take my edge toothbrush, taking that spritz. This is the firm hold, and Got2b glue, mixing those two together and touching the top parts first. There's so many times that I forget to do this step, and when I say that be the first part to lift, I'm like, what is going on? So make sure you hit those areas first and then start your swooping process. This part is so satisfying when your baby hairs wants to act right. In my next curly hair video, you guys are going to see I kind of went crazy with the baby hairs, but it turned out so freaking good. So make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you're notified when I upload that video. So once we had that all completed, I just went in with a little bit more water and just tamed the back of my hair, like the nape area, because I don't want that to get too big on me. Like I said, I didn't use any product on this hair. The hair is super soft, it's smooth, silky, and really good quality. So I was really happy so far once I realized like this was turning out really, really good. And like I said, this was my first time ever trying out a wig from Amanda Hair. So I was really pleased with how this lace melted. Even though it says HD, it does have a little transparent feel to it. So it's really important for you to tint that lace. And I will say you do need to bleach the knots. The knots were pretty dark. So you are going to have to add an extra bit of love into this hair because, you know, you just want to customize it to your liking. But it's nothing too crazy. It's not like you can't get it to look super natural because as you can see, I'm bringing the hair to life by doing the steps that you've seen in this video. Not to mention the hair is pre-bleached, so you have some fun highlights in your hair and you don't even have to do it yourself, girl. So I feel like it's so nice for this season, vacation kind of wig, girl. I don't use glue, but I do use hairspray and I would take this on vacation with me. Let me know your thoughts about the hair. If you like it or love it, hate it or whatever. But I really loved it and I was feeling myself. I will link all their information in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Look at that up close. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.